been told that burnout is just part of the hustle, that pushing through exhaustion means you are dedicated. But what if I told you that everything you believe about burnout might be wrong? Hello, and welcome to the Mind Setting channel. Today, we are busting 8 dangerous burnout myths that might be killing your happiness, and I'll show you how to protect yourself from them. The first myth will be busting. They say just take a vacation and you feel refreshed. A vacation feels like the perfect cure for burnout. Sun, relaxation, time away from the stress triggers. But here is the truth: burnout doesn't disappear just because you take a week off. Why? Because burnout isn't just exhaustion, it's a deeper issue caused by overwork, stress, and lack of balance. The solution to this is taking regular breaks while working. After working for a while, let's say an hour or two, you can push back your chair, close your eyes, and stare into nothing or look at the ceiling. If you have more luxury of time, you can take a stroll up the stairs or down the stairs. Personally, I find these activities incredibly refreshing. I get back to my work and I am reinvigorated. The second solution is to set boundaries. The third one, tackle the root causes of stress. Do not try to escape or avoid it. The second myth will be breaking. They say if you love your job, you can't burn out. No, if you love your job, you can still burn out. We love the idea that if we are passionate about a work, we'll never get tired. But passion doesn't make you invincible. Even dream jobs can drain you if you don't set boundaries. Burnout doesn't mean you hate your job, it means you need to protect your energy. The solution: love your work, but love yourself more. Protect your well being, safeguard your mental health. This takes us to myth number three. People say just push through it, just keep going. We are told that pushing through exhaustion means we are strong. Instead, pushing harder doesn't solve burnout, it deepens it. Burnout doesn't mean you are weak. No, it means you've been running on empty for too long. What's the solution here? Honor your limits. Rest isn't a luxury, it is a necessity. Myth number four: they say if you are burnout, you're not strong enough. Here is the hard truth: burnout doesn't happen to lazy people, it happens to those who care the most. Burnout isn't a weakness at all. Rather, it is a sign that you've been carrying too much for too long. The solution to this is to know that your worth isn't measured by how much you endure. Ask for help when necessary. Again, set boundaries. You are already strong the way you are. Myth number five that will be breaking is they say burnout shows you are dedicated. No, we wear burnout like a badge of honor. I barely sleep, I'm always working. But let's be real: who really wins when you are constantly drained? True dedication isn't about breaking yourself for your job. It is about sustaining yourself for the long run. Burnout isn't proof of commitment. Take care of yourself because no job is worth your well being. Myth number six: People say burnout only happens to weak people. It doesn't happen because you are weak. In fact, it often happens to those who work the hardest and care the most. How do you solve this? Recognize that needing rest doesn't mean you're failing or falling. Strong people set boundaries and protect their energy. Number seven, quitting is the only way to escape burnout. Before you hand in that resignation, know this: burnout isn't always about the job itself. Sometimes it's about how we manage our workload and stress. So the solution before quitting, try delegating, setting clear boundaries, and taking breaks to see if it helps. If the job is still toxic, then a change might be the right move. The final myth we're breaking in this episode: they say burnout is just physical exhaustion. Don't think about it. Burnout isn't just feeling tired, it is mental, it is emotional, and even social. You might feel numb, detached, or like you don't care about things you used to love. You need to watch out at this stage. The solution is start paying attention to all aspects of burnout, not just tiredness. Seek support, take mental health breaks, and prioritize joy outside of work. Finally, burnout isn't the price of success. It is a warning sign. And the sooner we let go of these myths, the sooner we can build a life of real happiness and balance. If this video helped you, hit the like button, and if you are on a journey to a better work-life balance like me, subscribe to the Mind Setting channel for more self-improvement tips. Bye for now and see you in my next video. Bye.